Lying here in quiet shadows, feeling all my pain inside. Every worry, every sorrow, Lord, I bring it to your side. When the night feels cold and endless, and my heart is full of fear, I can hear your voice so gentle, whisper softly, I am near. Your peace fills my heart tonight. Your love surrounds me like a light. Even in the darkest hours, Lord, you lift me with your power. I close my eyes and feel you near, washing all my doubts and fears. Your grace flows like a gentle stream. In your love I rest and dream. All the burdens I have carried, all the tears I've tried to hide, you've been walking close beside me, holding me through every night. In the silence of my breathing, in the stillness of my mind, I can feel your mercy healing every broken part I find. Your peace fills my heart tonight. Your love surrounds me like a light. Even in the darkest hours, Lord, you lift me with your power. I close my eyes and feel you near, washing all my doubts and fears. Your grace flows like a gentle stream. In your love I rest and dream. Oh Lord, I feel your presence near. In the quiet, I know you hear every whisper of my soul. You make my weary spirit whole. Now I breathe in your sweet mercy. Now I rest in your embrace. Your peace, your love, your holy presence fills my heart and fills this place. Your peace, your love, forever I will rest in you. I was walking through the darkness with a broken heart and soul. Every road was full of sorrow. Every dream was growing cold. There was no one there to hold me, no one there to hear my cry. But in the silence of my midnight, Lord, you saw these tears I cried. I was lost, but your love found me in the valley of my pain. When my world was full of shadows, you became my light again. Your mercy held my trembling heart. Your grace washed over me. I was drowning in my sorrow, but your love set me free. There were nights I felt so empty, like my hope had disappeared. Every prayer I tried to whisper was a whisper filled with tears. Then your voice came like a sunrise, breaking through my darkest night. And your love healed all my sorrow, filled my soul with holy light. I was lost, but your love found me in the valley of my pain. When my world was full of shadows, you became my light again. Your mercy held my trembling heart. Your grace washed over me. I was drowning in my sorrow, but your love set me free. Oh Lord, I remember the nights I cried, when nobody heard my pain. But your love came down from heaven, and my life was not the same. Hallelujah, now my soul is singing. Your grace rescued me from the darkness of my sorrow to your endless victory. Now my heart will keep on singing of the love that carried me. I was lost, but now I'm living, 'cause your love has set me free. When the night was cold and lonely, and my heart was full of pain, I was walking through the shadows in the silence of the rain. No one there to hold my sorrow, no one there to hear my cry. Then your mercy came and found me. Lord, you heard me from the sky. Your love found me in the darkness, not alone. I remember all the heartache, all the tears I cried alone. Every road I tried to follow left my weary heart like stone. But your voice was soft and gentle, like a river in the night. And your love broke all my chains, Lord, filled my empty soul with light. Your love found me in the darkness when my soul was lost and weak. Your grace lifted up my spirit when I had no hope to see. Oh, the cross became my shelter, and your arms became my home. In the middle of my brokenness, Lord, you told me I'm not alone. Oh Lord, I was drowning in my sorrow. But your love pulled me ashore. Hallelujah. Now my heart keeps singing. I am lost no more. Now I sing about your mercy and the love that set me free from the valley of my sadness to the grace that rescued me. Your love found me. Yes, your love saved me. Lord, forever I will sing.